Hey guys, Nick Drosos and welcome to Code Red Defense. A question we got is, Nick, how do I defend against biting? So, Pat and Marissa, let's say we were clinched here and Pat decided to go for a bite, right? He's here. Man, just the sound can get you nervous. The feeling of the bite, I've never had anybody bite me, but just him doing that makes me nervous. So let's look at it. If the person's biting you, he's obviously in close quarter range. And in close quarter range, what are your strikes? Eye gouging, right? So if he's biting you, I'd want to stick my fingers in his eyes or on top of the bridge of the nose to release the bite and open up, right? Again, I want to strike as quickly as possible. So let's say I'm here, he's here, he decides to bite. I'm gonna, like here, again, thumb into the eye, crank and move the neck. You want to find a way to open up the jaw. Avoid fish hooking, putting your hand inside, because if the person bites or pulls out, well, you can lose a thumb or you can lose a piece, right? Like, putting your hands in the person's mouth is very dangerous. Again, it's full of fucking bacteria in there and shit. So, again, it's not as easy to bite somebody, even though we do talk about it. So if he has clothes, he's gonna have to go through the clothes. You might feel it, you might not. Obviously, if he's going to skin, to neck, to face, you gotta strike as quickly as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more self-defense, go visit our website, codereddefense.com. We have a collection of videos, common attacks. We'll put the link on the bottom. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.